And moving on, in a major move, the Home Ministry has amended the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganisation Act 2019 in a way that powers of the Lieutenant Governor have been boosted. Now, the Governor has been empowered for taking decisions on matters pertaining to police, officers of all India services such as the IAS and the IPS, and giving sanction for prosecution in various cases, that is. Now, decisions regarding the appointment of Advocate General and other law officers will also be taken by the Lieutenant Governor. The change in laws comes at a time speculation is rife about assembly elections being conducted in Jammu and Kashmir that has been under President's rule ever since the abrogation of Article 370 in August 2019. Meanwhile, leaders of the Jammu Kashmir parties, National Conference and PDP have slammed the move. While Omar Abdullah has termed the move as an attempt to elect a powerless, rubber-stamp chief minister who will have to beg the Lieutenant Governor, Mehbooba Mufti too has hit out at the centre for once again snatching the right of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Listen in.
और आज आपने एक ऐसा ऑर्डिनेंस लाया जिससे आप जम्मू कश्मीर की जो सबसे बाइख्तियार पावरफुल असेंबली थी पूरे मुल्क के अंदर, उसको पहले ही आपने सब कुछ उससे छीन लिया। आज आप उसको म्युनिसिपैलिटी में कन्वर्ट करना चाहते हो ताकि कल को जो भी सरकार जम्मू कश्मीर में बनती है, बीजेपी की तो कतई नहीं बनेगी, तो उस सरकार के पास कोई इख्तियार ना हो, अपना कोई मुलाजिम ना ट्रांसफर कर सके, किसके खिलाफ एक्शन लेना है, किसके खिलाफ नहीं लेना है, वो इख्तियार भी आप उससे छीन के चीफ सेक्रेटरी और लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर को देना चाहते हो। वो लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर जो बाहर से आता है, जिसको यहाँ की कोई बात का पता ही नहीं होता है।
BJP has defended the decision as necessary ahead of the much anticipated state polls.
आने वाले समय में जो विधानसभा के इलेक्शन है, उसके मद्देनजर जो लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर की पावर को इन्हांस किया गया है। IAS अधिकारी, IPS अधिकारी तथा जुडिशरी जिसमें तहसीलदार, SDMs वगैरह आते हैं, वो इलेक्शन की जो कार्रवाई है वो ठीक प्रकार से हो, तो स्वाभाविक बात है कि इस प्रकार से चेंजेस होना जरूरी रहती हैं। तो उसी के मद्देनज़र मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स ने इस चीज़ को किया है।
Good evening to you as well. And in fact, since this amendment has been made, there has been the politics that's gaining the ground in the Kashmir Valley. Since the morning, there are the various tweets and the presses, including the various reactions that came in from the National Conference, PDP, as well as the Apni party. In fact, in a single voice, all the regional parties said that this is unacceptable and this needs to be revoked as soon as possible. Now, remember that with this new amendment under the Section 55 of the J&K Reorganisation 2019, some of the changes have been made. In fact, some of the powers has been enhanced and boosted to the Lieutenant Governor administration. In that particular, the law affairs have been taken to course. The Advocate General and the law officers should be appointed and placed before it will be given a nod by the LG Secretariat through the Chief Secretary. So somehow many of the changes have been inserted. Now many of the rules have been inserted into it, with clause to the 3 clauses have been inserted into it. In fact, the President Draupadi Murmu has also given the offer approval to these amendments. Somehow this is not suiting the taste to the regional parties. Early morning, the Omar Abdullah took to his Twitter handle saying that now they are going to make the rubber stamp CM in the J&K, and just to beg for the single appointment of the peon, the CM has to move to the LG's office. So somewhere the politics is gaining grounds, while as the BJP has to say that this is an appreciable move, but somewhere this has not even given a good taste to the regional parties in the Kashmir Valley.